Warning, this may be disturbing to some people. This is fiction. Don't take this as real. This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. At 10:00 a.m. a tsunami has been spotted off the coast of Honolulu. Stay tuned for other updates. An earthquake with a magnitude of 7 struck in Fiji, which is now causing a tsunami off the coast of Honolulu. The tsunami was spotted 30 miles north of Fiji, heading northeast to Honolulu and all the other islands of Hawaii. The National Service said to get to the highest point you can possibly get to, bring a flashlight, a battery-powered radio, enough food and water for 14 days. Stay tuned for other updates.
I'm a 26-year-old who lives in Honolulu year-round. I love to surf every single day, but have never heard anything about tsunamis. I live here by myself, while my family lives in Florida. I'm very nervous because I have never had to go through something like this, and I'm also alone. I live here with my 2 dogs and I have nowhere to go. Hopefully I will find somewhere safe to stay.
The National Weather Service has now determined that the tsunami is 10 miles off the coast of Maui and will hit Honolulu in 20 minutes. Take cover and get to the highest place possible if you haven't already. Stay tuned for other updates.
I took my 2 dogs with me to a hilltop I once hiked. I got all the food I possibly could get, but I don't have a radio or a flashlight. This is the scariest thing that has ever happened in my life. Tell my family I love them.
The National Weather Service has confirmed that the tsunami has hit Honolulu. Good luck, stay safe, and stay tuned for other updates. The National Weather Service has just announced that the tsunami is over. The tsunami warning is no longer in place.